Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag indun jaba. The Ojibwe word for July is Aabita-niibino-giizis. Aabita-niibino-giizis means midsummer moon. There are 13 lunar cycles in the Ojibwe calendar, and as a result of that, and geographic variation, even weather variation in Ojibwe country, there may be more than one correct word used for each month. Typically, Aabita-niibino-giizis is the Ojibwe word for July. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.